Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav and today we are going to see Unix Lab experiment number 6. So starting for the first one, so in this we are going to see ATM management system. So in an ATM the basic things are done: deposit, withdrawal, balance, and we can enter a new account number or exit. So if the enter, so first we ask the user to enter the choice, then the user choice we read the name. So choice we read name and we set the initial balance equal to 0. So we ask the prompt user to check the balance again, and these are the function deposit, withdrawal. So if deposit is done, we add it to the basic price, like basic amount, and in deposit similarly we withdrawal we check first of all if it is greater than 0, and if it is less than the maximum amount. If it is less than the maximum amount, then we are going to do, otherwise we're going to print that the amount cannot be withdrawn. The maximum amount can be withdrawn is the amount of the person, and then the balance. These three functions are there, and then according to the user's choice 1 2 3 or 4, we call these functions, and if there is 5 then it will be automatically uh, while condition is there, so it will break and this it will stop. So let's see by running it. So first of all we must create a new account. So we'll say and new account. So we want to deposit. So first of all we'll check the balance. The balance initially is 0 as we set it. So first we will deposit some money, say 100. We want to withdraw, say 50. So it says that withdrawal successful. But if we want to withdraw again out of 50, say amount of 100, so it will display that no, it cannot be withdrawn. The maximum amount can be withdrawn is rupees 50, which is our current balance. So that's all for the first part, and let's see the second part. So this is our library management system. So first of all we will display the central library, then we have the flag I and I value just for our easy, and I is for that in array. Then first of all there is a function called add book, then a function is there for display book. So as we have the book name, we have an array for that, so we can have a number of authors for it and number of books for it. Similarly for search, we go in the array and we search for each one of them in that array. To access an array we must use this symbol dollar bracket open, then the array name, and then dollar $j inside that bracket. And if it is found, then we set the flag 1. If flag is equal to 0, then we will display that book not found. Similarly there is a function called lend book. So if there is already it is available, then we are going to say thank you, otherwise we are going to say book not available. Similarly we have, in this case also we check for the flag similar same way, then we go for the return book. So in this function we increase the value of the book, otherwise book already returned. If the flag is already 1 not 1, then we are going to say that book already returned. And here we have the main function. So here we can add a book, search for book, the lend book, display book, return book, enter. So it will display the user to enter the choice, and we'll read the choice, and accordingly everything will happen. If anything, it starts for the default case. If nothing is there, then we are going to use the default. Let's run and see. So add a book. So let's say add a book. So the book name will let be book author, book ID say 123, book publisher, enter your choice. Now what we want to do again, add one more book, search book, lend book, or display. Let's first display. So we have only one book. We It should try to add one more book. Publisher 3. Now we should display the book. So we have these two books, and then we will try to lend some book. So it's asked for the book ID. So 123 was the book ID. So thank you for the lending from that person. And now we can check for the books available. So here we want to lend some other book. So if we would try 123 again, so now it will display that book not available because it has already been taken by someone else. Now we can display it. So we have both the books, but only one is available. As you can see, availability is no. Then if someone wants to return, so we will return 123. So thank you for returning. If we want to return again, then it will display that book already returned. We similarly we can do it for many books. That's all. So we have completed both the part of sixth ATM and library management system. Thank you.